Is Proxmox really enterprise grade, or is it just hype? For SMBs hit hard by VMware's new pricing, this question isn't theoretical, it's urgent. Proxmox VE delivers the core features most small enterprises actually need: Type 1 virtualization, clustering, HA, live migration, containers, ZFS, and Ceph, all in one platform. And while VMware licensing can now cost more than your hardware, Proxmox's enterprise support often comes in 10x cheaper, but there are trade-offs. Proxmox expects Linux comfort, especially with storage like ZFS or Ceph, and the ecosystem isn't as wide as VMware or Hyper-V. Migration isn't a click and go either. Even with Proxmox's VMware import tool, you still need to fix networking, hardware drivers, and test cutovers. So who wins with Proxmox? SMBs with modest clusters, teams willing to learn Linux, and environments not locked to VMware-only features. And who should think twice? If you rely on NSX, SRM, VSAN, or if your team wants zero Linux exposure, you may want to stay where you are, for now. If you're exploring Proxmox or evaluating alternatives for 2025, we can help you compare costs, design the right architecture, and avoid the common migration traps.